guys, so we're headed to Oak Orchard right now. We met up with one of my grandfather's buddies. He drove down from Ohio. He loves fishing Oak Orchard and Johnson's. He's got property on Johnson's that we might hit later, so let's see if we can get on some steelhead. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we officially made it to Oak Orchard. We're still waiting for Joe. It's 5:30 right now. We just got a little fire set up, and we're gonna wait till sunrise. You know, it's that time of year to where you gotta get to these spots super early. There's a car parked up in the parking lot, and it was 5 o'clock. So, yeah, it's better to get there early than be there late and not get the spot you want. So, we'll see you at sunrise. Sweet. Tyler's already hooked up. Couldn't even get the camera set up. It's all right. Let's take a look at it. Small buck, not bad. Oh shit. Now we're good. Is it a brown or a steelhead? Holy shit. I'll put the other camera away. Holy.
Wow. Good fish.
Atta boy. Yeah, I'm gonna run sacks for another 10 minutes. That doesn't work. I'm just gonna put a jig on. Oh yeah. Nice shot. Give us a rundown.
Rundown. Well, it's windy as
That's a tank. Nice.
That's what we need.